When you see someone else's wavy textured hair, you probably think, why doesn't my hair look like that? I've tried everything, but mine just stays straight and flat. Listen, this isn't your fault, it's your routine's fault. Most guys who struggle with straight hair are unknowingly making small mistakes every day that stop their hair from holding any texture or wave. And the best part is the fix is really simple. No expensive treatments, no complicated tools, no hour-long routines. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn straight, flat hair into naturally wavy textured hair. We'll cover products, habits, and the right haircut. By the end of this video, you'll have a simple step-by-step plan that actually works. So let's get started. The first and most common mistake most guys make and think is a good thing is shampooing every day. The problem is that every time you shampoo, you strip away your scalp's natural oils. These oils aren't some random thing, they give your hair texture and grip, which helps it hold shape better and makes waves look nicer. When you remove them daily, your hair becomes smooth, slippery, and completely flat. The fix is simple. Wash 2 to 3 times a week. This lets natural oils build up a bit, giving each strand the texture it needs to hold the waves. On off days, just use water or a bit of dry shampoo to keep your scalp fresh. This one habit alone will help every other method work much better. This might sound strange, but using a comb basically kills texture and waves fast. When you drag a comb through your hair, it flattens every strand into perfectly straight lines. That destroys the natural separation and volume your hair had. The style might look okay for a moment, but within an hour it's completely flat. Instead, use your fingers. Run your fingers through damp hair, gently shape it the way you want, and let the strands stay a little separated. That natural separation is what creates the illusion of texture and waves. Set it with your hands and let it air dry. You'll see the difference immediately. If you've tried products and techniques, but your hair still refuses to wave, the problem might be your haircut. When all your hair is the same length, its weight makes it fall flat. There's simply no way for it to lift, bend, or hold any texture. This is a really common reason hair looks flat, but most people don't pay attention to it. The fix is simple here too. Ask your barber for layers. Layering means cutting hair at slightly different lengths, which removes extra weight and lets your hair move more freely. When hair's lighter, it naturally lifts, bends, and holds texture. Your hair will look almost the same, but the way it sets will completely change. Sea salt spray is the most effective tool for creating wavy textured hair, but most guys either overuse it or apply it the wrong way and then wonder why it didn't work. Let me walk you through the right way to use it, step by step. Start with damp hair, not soaking wet, just lightly damp. You can wash your hair first or just wet it lightly with water. Then spray a small amount of sea salt spray all over your hair. This works because straight hair is naturally smooth and slippery. Sea salt spray makes hair slightly rough and dry, which lets it hold shape more easily and show waves. After applying the spray, scrunch your hair upward with your hands. This makes your hair look wavy and textured instead of straight. Then let it air dry or use a hairdryer on low heat. As your hair dries, the waves will set in. One important note, sea salt spray doesn't change your waves permanently. The waves stay until you wash your hair again, but if you want quick, natural results without heat or chemicals, sea salt spray is one of the most reliable methods out there. If you want even better results, there are 2 more things you can try. The first option is a diffuser, an attachment for your hairdryer that spreads air more gently. Apply mousse or sea salt spray to your hair, then use the dryer on low heat and scrunch your hair. This makes your hair look wavier and smoother and also reduces frizz. The second option is a perm. A perm makes your hair permanently wavy or curly for several months and gives the strongest results, but it should only be done by a professional, otherwise your hair could get damaged and it also needs extra care afterward. And that's it, a complete practical guide to going from straight to wavy hair. Wash less often, skip the comb, get layers cut, use sea salt spray the right way, and if you want more definition, try a diffuser. You don't need to overhaul your entire routine for any of this, just small, consistent changes. That's really all it takes, and once your hair starts looking the way you want, your overall look will automatically improve too. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to the channel. I keep sharing grooming and style tips like this. See you in the next video.